Hey everybody and welcome. This is our all-new EQS. Its series production is starting today here at our most cutting-edge car production in Germany, the Factory 56. Now let's go check it out. But before we dive in, I want to take you out. The entire production here at Factory 56 is carbon neutral. So this massive photovoltaic system here on the roof generates around 30% of our annual power requirement here at the factory. This is our maximal flexible production line. We call it Tech Line. Flexibility allows us to produce all drive systems on the same line: conventional, hybrid and fully electric. Here's one of my favorite parts, the point where we are installing our beautiful Hyperscreen. It's delivered by an automated guided vehicle and can be installed easily into the cockpit with this small joystick. When we built Factory 56, we made sure that the whole manufacturing process could be done as ergonomically as possible. That's why the cars are turned sideways when my colleagues are working on the underbody. This step is called marriage, the place where the body of the car and the drivetrain meet each other for the first time. This takes us to the last stop of our tour, the final quality check. We use extra bright lights to make sure we spot even the smallest imperfection, because the EQS embodies, like every Mercedes, the best or nothing.